Huh, I don't like kale salad. Yeah, you do. Let's do it like this. Daikon.
Daikon.
Wash it, peel it. If you can't find daikon, red radish will work. Slice it thinly, half moons. If you have a mandolin, you can use it too. Into the oven, broil it on high. Check it frequently until you see some char. Dressing, olive oil. Actually, let's do some more. Whisk it up. Stir them around, get all the oil on them. Pop them back in and keep checking. Medium low. Whisk to emulsify. Bring it to a simmer. Turn it to low and let it get happy. 2 bunches of kale. Wash it really well. Tends to be a little bit dirty. Break it down into bite-sized pieces. Just pull it off. You'll see. If you pull off a piece like this, break it up like this. All right, it's bubbling. Whisk it up. Keep checking it. About this much. Crush them up. All right, dressing goes on. Let it cool for a minute before you touch it. All right, you can mix it up with like salad spoons or forks. You can mix it up with tongs, but kale, like I said, is beefy. It holds up really well to your fingers, and I think the best way to get the dressing on is to massage it all in. So wash your hands up, dry them off really well, and get busy dressing your salad. Parmesan cheese. That shit is ready.